Good morning, dear students. This is Sarita, your science teacher. Again, come here with my new chapter. Chapter name is Conservation of Plants and Animals. About plants and animals, you all know. Today, very first, we will understand the meaning of conservation. What is the meaning of conservation? A wise and judicious use of all natural resources is called conservation. What is the aim of our conservation? Through conservation, we preserve the quality of our environment, and secondly, we ensure a continuous availability of useful plants, animals, and other material for future generation. Today in this chapter we will discuss about deforestation and its causes, what are the consequences of deforestation and how we can conserve the forest and wildlife. So very first we will discuss our first topic, that is deforestation. You all know we get many useful products from trees, and from the last few decades a large number of trees have been cut for different purposes. This large scale cutting of trees and the clearing of forest is called deforestation. Deforestation has taken place due to many reasons. Some of the reason now I am telling. Very first reason, deforestation occurred due to the increased demand of wood and timber. Timber is also a type of wood. You all know population is growing day by day. Due to overgrowing population, we have the need of wood and timber, and for getting that we cut the forest. Second is due to increased demand of land for constructing factories, houses, roads and dams. Third is due to mining activity, we have the need for deforestation because we are digging out the earth's surface. And due to forest fire, we also cut the trees. So, due to deforestation, some consequences occur, and these consequences are, very first is lesser rainfall, because all the plant they help in rainfall. In plant, one important phenomena take place, that is transpiration. Due to transpiration, the plant lose extra water in the environment in form of water vapor, and the same water vapor when condensed they give the formation of cloud. So if we cut the forest, then amount of rainfall is less in our environment, and due to lesser rainfall the water table is also decrease. Clear? Next is the increased air pollution and soil erosion. Air pollution means the quality of air is damaged, unwanted material they added in our environment and causes the air pollution. Soil erosion means the movement of the top fertile soil from one place to another place due to deforestation. Next consequences is danger to wildlife, means the flora and fauna on the verge of extinction due to deforestation. Due to deforestation, the average temperature of earth's surface is also increased, because if we cut the forest, the amount of carbon dioxide in our environment is increased, and due to this increased carbon dioxide, it absorbs more and more heat which come from the ultraviolet radiation, and the average temperature of earth is increased, and increased chances of the natural calamities like floods and drought. Next we will study about a renewable natural resources, that is forest. You all know forests are one of the most useful renewable resources that is available on the earth. Forests have a wide variety of plants and trees, and forests are very important for us on earth. Why? Why the forest is important for us? Very first, forest they are the green lungs. They behave like a green lungs. They purify the air and control the air pollution. Secondly, forests help in rainfall. Third, it helps in replenishing the groundwater, because if more and more tree we grow, then the amount of rainfall increase and the same water is seepage under the ground. Due to forest, we can prevent the soil erosion and maintain the fertility of soil, because the root of a plant, it binds the soil particle tightly. Forest control the floods and it provide a habitat. Habitat means the living place for a variety of plants, animal and insect. And through forest, in forest, some of the medicinal plant and the fruit plant is also present, through which we get the different type of fruits and different type of medicines. Next question is how we can conserve the forest and wildlife. So, forest and wildlife can be conserved by setting up some special areas, and these are biosphere reserve, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. What is biosphere reserve? Actually, this is the large protected area of land where the conservation of biodiversity and the traditional life of tribals living there. National park is also the area which is reserved for wildlife. Wildlife means the plant and animals that found in forest, and where they can freely use the habitat and natural resources. Third one is wildlife sanctuaries. This is also the area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them or their habitat. Means no one can disturb these wildlife in their natural habitat. So by setting up all these area, we can conserve the forest and wildlife. These are the today's topic. Hope so student, all topic is clear to you. Thank you student to listening me carefully.